Nestled snugly in the midst of Oakland County's most beautiful lakes, this little hidden gem will lure you to sit and stay a while. This picturesque 3-acre lakefront property is in quest of a new owner. The existing house, built in 1895 with an authentic Michigan basement, is antiquated in today's market. However, beauty lies in the eye of the beholder. A great opportunity to enjoy that up-north feeling of serenity without the distance, while enjoying the abundant neighboring lakes, restaurants, cider mills, horse farms, nature trails, and most significantly, your very own window pane to the relaxation and enjoyment of lake living. A short jaunt to I-75 transports you quickly to Detroit for your favorite sporting event or dining pleasure, allowing you to enjoy the best of both the city life and the country life. Take a leisurely drive this weekend and see this jewel in person and think about your plans for your future.